In the year 1430, the Hundred Years' War between France and England raged on. Amidst this turmoil, one figure emerged, whose courage and determination would leave an indelible mark on history. This is the story of Joan of Arc. Joan of Arc, a simple peasant girl from Domremy, was propelled by a divine calling. At a tender age, she received visions, hearing the voices of saints urging her to save France from English domination. In 1429, Joan of Arc's leadership turned the tide of the war. She inspired the French troops and led them to a stunning victory at the Siege of Orléans, giving hope to a nation on the brink of despair. But the war raged on, and in 1430, Compiègne found itself under siege by the Burgundians, allies of the English. Joan of Arc, now a renowned military leader, stood at the forefront, defending the city with unwavering determination. On that fateful day, May 23, 1430, the Burgundians launched a ferocious assault. Joan of Arc, undeterred by the chaos, fought valiantly at the front lines, leading her troops with unmatched bravery. However, amidst the chaos of the battle, Joan of Arc was captured. A Burgundian soldier recognized her, realizing the significance of his capture. The tides had turned, and the courageous warrior had fallen into enemy hands. Joan of Arc's capture sent shockwaves across the land. The Burgundians, in alliance with the English, saw her as a threat to their cause. Her capture was a triumph for their forces, but it would only be the beginning of her arduous journey. Soon after her capture, Joan of Arc was handed over to the English, who sought to undermine her influence. She was transported to Rouen, where a trial, fraught with political motivations, awaited her. The trial was a travesty of justice. Joan of Arc, a symbol of hope for the French, faced a biased tribunal. Despite her eloquent defense and firm belief in her divine mission, she was unjustly found guilty of heresy. Subscribe to the channel or click on the box on the left for more historical events.